Hey Suckerfed guys, okay, let's just take this example. I want to edit this video and okay, I delete that and I want to import some videos here. So I just go to my file explorer, drag, click, drag, and then nope. I can't drop anything. So I tried the registry method where you can get the old taskbar found in Windows 11, but it didn't work because the start menu was broken, search was broken, and I don't think that anyone can use Windows like that. So I found two ways that you can still somehow use drag and drop. With the first one, you're going to use the task switcher shortcuts. So click drag and press Alt Tab, and I'm gonna release Alt here. Drop the file that I want to copy. Okay, this first method, I don't know if it works. It works, and the second is to use Windows to Windows. I don't know. Oh, right. I'm gonna put Premiere Pro here and then drag and still drop. You see, it still works. That way. You can also put them side to side and then do the same thing. Or if you have any other third-party application like, I don't know, Internet Download Manager. And okay, and as you can see here, oh wait, what? Okay, let me just. Okay, as you can see here, it still works without any problem. So that's not a huge problem for me. I can live with that, so I can live with it. But please, Microsoft, bring us back the old drag and drop thing. So that's been it for today's video. If you have any suggestions, please write them down in the description. My name is Kensei, and I will see you in the next video.